Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
Guys, I'm the one pushing.
You ask me how I got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now.
Amazing.
You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my channel. Guys, it has been over almost 2 months without doing this. I missed you guys so much. We were taking a little break, which is a good one. And guys, God has been amazing. I think when you are so happy, even you forget how to post or something. But I want to share with you guys, you know, we chose this type of content. I know some people say it's bragging, but we are just bragging about God, because God has brought us this far, guys. Like me, I can just say thank you, God, so much, because if you have been watching my videos, you know where I have come from and where I am and where I'm going, guys. I just want to make people feel like, for me, I don't filter my life. I just want people to feel like when they watch my channel from the beginning, they will understand my journey. I think we can relate on something, because so many people maybe are not doing so well. Like me, I wasn't doing so well, but God has been blessing us each and every step of the way. So yeah, I want people to get motivated, to never give up, because things are so hard right now, and we just need someone to be our role model out there. I have so many people whom I watch, whom have come from far, and they are doing so well right now, and it's God. It has always been God and working hard. So yeah guys, so I just coming, today is Monday. We started this video in a supermarket. We were just adding some shopping, that's why I didn't want to film everything. So, and Happy had just gotten home, you know, he has been traveling like most of the time. So yeah, and now we are catching up, and I'm catching up with you guys. How is that? I'm rhyming that, yeah. So yeah guys, I want to do I want to do a living room makeover. I want to change few things here and there, and not just living room, but that's where I'm starting. I know I have been saying wanting so many things, but you know, I have to prioritize the ones that are more important than what I need, because some things can wait, like the ones I needed. So I had to wait, and we'll always say it's always a one step at a time on this channel. That's what we do. Yeah guys, so I will be doing a living room makeover, guys, and I want to show you the things I want to change. And guys, I know you love these videos. I don't know, most people love makeovers and buy things. You guys, you can watch other videos, but I know you love this. So I will be taking every step of the way. Everything I buy, I will be updating you guys. And you know guys, we are not, I'm putting this because nowadays people have started, you know, when I was working, I didn't know that these makeovers, but nowadays you can make your home look beautiful even though you don't have a lot of money. So you can make your house look a bit very expensive and beautiful, guys. And that's what I'm trying to do now, because everything is online now, and when you look at Pinterest and you see these houses, it's not like they have used a lot of money. It can be a small house, a small living room, and it can be look very good and expensive and smart. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And one thing about my living room, you know, I had a dining table, but I had to take it to the village because the living room is a bit small. But one thing I love about this house, it's so cozy. There is peace here, and the lighting, as you can see, I'm in the living room, and this lighting, as you can see, the sun comes this side. So that's one thing I love about my living room. It's so small, but it's so good. I don't know, I love this house, and I hope one day that when I go to a bigger house, it will be ours, you know. Yeah, that's why, guys, I'm so grateful. And then I will be showing what I want to change. Yes, because I know you know what I really wanted. If you have watched my videos when I was buying curtains and all, the curtains became so very expensive, and I wanted to buy so many things, but I couldn't. But I'm patient enough to wait. Yeah, so let's get to it. And guys, this is the balcony area. We normally chill here. Right now the sun is not here yet because it's a bit morning hour. It's 11 a.m. in the morning, and this is how it looks. It's so sunny, you guys. What about you up the other places? Tell me, let me know, guys, what's happening. This is always my view. This is one thing I love about this apartment. We are in the corner of this area, so the view is all ours. I can see so many places like Westlands, Nairobi town. I can see Upper Hill when it's morning. Right now, you know, there's so many dust, you can't see those places well. Yeah, I love this view. So one thing, guys, I want to change, it's the carpet. You guys, you know, I've been wanting to change my carpet like the whole time. Actually, it's so clean. This carpet, Hubby bought it when I was moving in with him. He handed this carpet, and it was a bit new, but it was so good quality. So I want to change the carpet so that it can match with the house and all. I feel like it's always off somehow, but it matches with the pillows, throw pillows, you know. Yeah. And another thing, guys, I want to change is this. I would like to buy a flower which is so tall. This corner needs a taller flower so that this one can come back on this side, which it belongs to. Yeah, and then I don't know about the TV stand, what people, I'll be looking at how people decorate their TV stands on Pinterest and see what I'll buy. After that, I'll decide how I'll decorate it, because right now there are so many books here for Taraji, and the one she had on playgroup, she normally do the homework with or play with them and write. Yeah, she's a book kid. Yeah, guys, what else? So I've been thinking of another art, or I want to put this art to come here, and maybe it will be like I put them together. And then I was thinking of buying another art, but that one is, I'm still thinking on it. But one thing I want to change are these. You know, I told you when I was putting these, I told you they were temporary, just to make the wall look busy. They were temporary, but I'll be adding a bigger ones at least, and which looks the same, because these ones looks a bit different. I love them. Yes, they will be somewhere. I'll put them somewhere else, but I just need to change them. So this is where I put our shawls. I have so many stools in this house, guys. You know, my other table had these stools, so I had these two here, and then I have these stools here, you know. So to register this on this, you just need to pull it like that. Yeah, they are so flexible and elegant, you know. Yeah, that's what I love about this house. So as you can see, this is how now my living room looks like. The curtains, I feel like one day I'll be changing the curtains again, but I can have like 2 pairs of curtains so that at least they match. I don't know how I liked blue. It looks good. Let me not comment on that. Yeah, but look at this, guys, you see. So one thing I noticed, this seat like it's good. You know, there's one seat which is in Taraji's bedroom, sorry, and because they couldn't fit, I wanted some space, so I had to put one seat like this in the bedroom. so that the sitting room can look this spacious or something. Yeah, because as you can see, there's space here for the curtains. At least I can actually pass through here, so there's a bigger space on this. That seat looks good there. And yeah, that's it guys, and I'll be doing a lot of changes. Like you see these speakers, there's two remaining, one here and one here. We don't like them like this. We feel like they are too old-fashioned right now, but with time we'll be going to change them because they are taking the decorate. I don't like when they are starting like this. It looks like it's not bringing the vibe of the living room, you know. You get it. And our TV there guys. Yep. So yeah guys, I feel like I'm forgetting one thing. So as I buy this carpet, I'll be buying another one here. Also need a carpet here, the corridor one, you know, a carpet here. I need some decorative mirror on this wall, and you know this corridor actually can fit a console, but right now I'm just thinking about it. But one thing I know, I need this carpet here. Is it called carpet, corridor carpet? A small one, just a slim one. The phone looks so, the phone takes a smaller space, but this place is big. You see there is so much space here, which I need to put something instead of that mat. Yeah, so yeah guys, that will be it on what I'm going to change. May God bless this work, and you know, at least the house will look. I can't wait for the reveal guys. What do you think? What else should you think I should add guys? Let me know on the comment. Let me know, and please guys, always say your opinions. Some people are negative, but it's okay. But yeah, say what you think guys about what I should add. Should I get rid of this art? Someone told me they look beautiful and all. We'll see guys about that. We'll see. And guys, one more thing, I'll be buying another chandelier for this. Is it called chandelier? No, people have so many. They mention like chandelier. May I call it chandelier? So I'll be changing this one because this bulb looks so bad. You know, the landlords, guys, please keep up. We are in 2024 guys. So yeah, well, that's one thing I would be changing. I almost forgot that. Yeah, look at it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, let me know what you think about and what I should add. You know, you might have ideas. Like for me, I'm not a house person. Like I just Google these things. I do research on what to buy and how to make my house looks more beautiful. Because if I knew these things, I could have started like way long ago, before even when I joined YouTube. But right now people are so educated, people are so, they're doing so many research, and it's so beautiful right now. Their life has become so everything online, so I'm so grateful for that. Yeah guys, so let me know what you think guys I should do. And guys, I see you on my next video as I do reveal, and I'll be buying most of the things, not just the carpet and so many things. I'll be taking along guys. Every time I'm doing something, I'll be taking along, and we are back like we never left. So yeah guys, it's good to take a little break from social media. Sometimes I just take a little break to be with my family and all, and for me as well, because this content, it's draining you guys. It takes a lot and a lot of courage to do this. I'm like sharing my house with so many people. Okay, my 2000 and something subscribers, thank you so much for always subscribing. I thank you my viewers for viewing my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. It goes a long way. It helps the channel to grow more. So yeah guys, let's get to 3000 subscribers before June. Or what do you think guys? Yeah, even June is far. Let's get to 3000. It's so easy guys. And always leave a comment and like my videos, and yeah, it goes a long way guys. That's the only how you can support me guys. Thank you so much for always coming back, for putting up with us on guys, and yeah, for loving my content. So I see you on my next video as we do this. So till the next video, bye.